Hi everyone, greetings from Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ram Nagar. Welcome to the Geography MOY revision class. In the previous classes, we have revised about Chapter 1, Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. And today let us proceed for the fourth chapter in the first unit of Geography, that is population. Over this, what are the possible questions could be asked? Let us see. That is, human beings are the producers and consumers of Earth's resources, and they are very important. And as a result, we are supposed to know that how many people are there, where do they live, and what is their number, and what are their characteristics. Now let us see the very first question on this could be asked: what is census? A census is an official enumeration of population done periodically. And one more question could be asked on this is: in which year was the first census held in India? The first census was held in the year 1872. Apart from that, which are the related to population, that is, we can see that there are the three characteristics or the three aspects we are supposed to learn in this chapter. It's a population size and distribution, growth and process of change, and qualities of population. Today let us revise size and distribution and process of population change. With regard to size and distribution, the very first question could be asked: India's population as on March 11 as well as March 2001 it is asked. Here, as per 2001 report, it is 1028 million people. And what is its percentage at the world level? That is 16.7%. Which state in India is the most populous state? That is Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state. Over that as question may be asked. Then a question also may be asked that in which 5 states most of the population of India lives. The 5 states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. Why more number of people are found in northern part of India? Because there is favorable climate, at the same time agriculture, they have a fertile soil there. As a result, more number of people are residing in that region. One more possible question could be asked, that is, what is the density of population? With regard to the density of population is concerned, that is, people living in 1 square kilometer area is termed as density of population. The density of population also varies. 2011 census report is also there, and 2001 census report also is being given. 2001 report says 324 persons, but as per 2011 report, latest report, it is 382 people live in 1 square kilometer area. Then which is the state which has highest density of population in India? The highest density population is Bihar with regard to 1100 people in 1 square kilometer area, whereas Arunachal Pradesh has 13 people as per 2001 census report, whereas 2011 report it says it is 17 people. Where are most of the people reside? As it is already been said, in the northern plains and in Kerala, we find that very high population densities are there, as they are very good for, because abundant rainfall is there and fertile soil is there. Now let us proceed to population, the process of population change. What does it mean? Population growth and change we are supposed to see. What do you mean by population growth? It refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a country or in a territory during a specific period of time. Then population change. With regard to change in population, we see that there are change in population could be measured by three terms: birth rate, death rate and migration. Here question may be asked, what is birth rate? It is the number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year. With regard to death rate is concerned, the number of live deaths per 1,000 people, in a year is termed as death rate. Then migration. Migration refers to the movement of the people across the regions and territories. There are two types of migration. One is internal and international. Internal migration refers to the movement of the people within the boundaries of a country, whereas international migration refers to a movement of the people across the countries. So this is how we see that over this possibility is there of asking the questions. Here is a worksheet for you. That is worksheet number 7. Choose the correct option and write. Dash is the study of changes in population. That is demography is the right answer. What is census? An official enumeration of population done periodically is the right option. Next one is density of population refers to. 4 options are there. The number of people living in 1 square kilometer area is the right option or the right answer. B answer is the right answer. Which among the following is the most populous state in India? That is Uttar Pradesh. Which among the following is the biggest state in terms of area? In terms of area, it is Rajasthan. And the next question is, according to 2011 census report, what is the density of population of India? As I told you, 324 according to 2001 report, whereas 2011 report says it is, the latest report, 382 persons. Change in the number of inhabitants of a country refers to, that is population, growth. Movement of the people across the region and territory is referred to as, that is migration is the right answer. In the same way, here a few questions are there. What percent of the world's population India accounts? As per 2001 report, it is 16.7%, and 2011 census report, it is 17%. So you are supposed to write, just see the year. If it is 17, if it is 2011, you write 17%. What is the total landmass of India? There is no increase in the landmass, that is 3.28 million square kilometer area. Which 5 states have half of India's population? That is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. What do you mean by density of population? People living in 1 square kilometer area is referred as density of population. Which state has the highest and the lowest density of population? Bihar has highest density, whereas Arunachal Pradesh has lowest density with 17% people. What do you understand by the term growth of population? This also you are supposed to write. And the next one is, what is birth rate? Number of live births. Death rate refers to number of deaths per 1,000 people in a year, in a particular year. Migration refers to movement of the people across the region. So types of migration, if it is asked, you are supposed to write. There are 2 types, internal and international. Why is North Indian plain thickly populated? Because, as I told you, fertile soil and favorable climate. What are the reasons for uneven distribution of population in India? Due to climate and variation in the climate, as well as relief features are the factors. Hope you might have understood, and complete all these worksheets and post it in the group. Thank you.